Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Legal Decipher. In the previous video we had discussed about the sections with the offences affecting life as described in chapter 16 of the Indian Penal Code. If you have not seen that video, you can go and check it. The link is in the description below. In today's video we will go through the contents with the offences affecting unborn child as described in chapter 16 and understand the substance therein. So if you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel to get the video notifications. So let's get started. Today we are going to cover that part of chapter 16 which talks about offences relating to birth of unborn child. Section 312 talks about causing miscarriage. Now what is miscarriage? It is the death of an unborn child in the womb. So if a person causes the miscarriage or death of a child in the mother's womb, then it will be deemed to be an offence under section 312, and such person will be punished with imprisonment for 7 years and fine. However, if such miscarriage was done in good faith, that means with bona fide intention to save the life of that woman who was carrying the baby in her womb, then it would not constitute an offence under this section. If such miscarriage was done without the consent of the woman, then the person would be punished with imprisonment for life or up to 10 years and fine as per section 313. And if such person tried to do something to cause miscarriage of such woman, and as a result of such act the woman died in consequence, then such person would be punished under section 314 for imprisonment for up to 10 years and fine. And if such act is done without the consent of the woman, then that would make it even more serious, and such person would then be punished with imprisonment for life or any punishment that is mentioned above. Now section 315 talks about the punishment for those people who try to prevent the unborn child from being born alive, or even if it is born alive, by doing an act that would cause it to die after birth. In that case, such person would be imprisoned for up to 10 years and fine. However, if such miscarriage was done in good faith, that means with bona fide intention to save the life of the woman who was carrying the baby in her womb, then it would not constitute an offence under this section. Now section 316 punishes a person for doing an act that would amount to culpable homicide if by such act the death of a quick unborn child occurs. Now here quick unborn child means a child in the womb who is soon to take birth, or a child in the womb at an advanced stage as per medical terms, usually when the movement of the child in the womb is felt. Then if such person does an act to amount culpable homicide of such child or prevents it from taking birth, then that person would be punished with imprisonment for up to 10 years and fine. Now section 370 punishes the parents for exposing and abandoning their child under the age of 12 years. This section also applies to those people who are in charge of taking care of a child under 12 years. If they do not do so, then they will be punished with imprisonment for 7 years or fine or both. Now the explanation says that this section won't prevent the trial of an offender for murder or homicide if the child die for such abandonment, which means the parents or the person in charge to take care of the child will also face charge and trial for murder or homicide separately if the child dies in consequence, and the punishment that is provided under this section will not be deemed to prohibit the charges or trials that will be added for the murder or homicide of that child. Now section 318 punishes the concealment of birth by secretly disposing a dead body. So if a person tries to secretly dispose the dead body of the child by any means, and by doing so he tries to conceal the existence of such child or the proof of evidence that such child was born, then the person doing so will be punished with imprisonment for up to 2 years or fine or both. Now we will cover the next part and its sections in the next video. So that's all in this video. If you like my videos, then don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.